Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer inspired makeup look. I think it's really fun, and honestly with quarantine and the fact that probably none of us are doing our normal thing for Christmas, I think it would be a fun idea to dress up or do something fun like this just on your own or with your immediate family or whoever you live with. I think that would be really fun and cute. And definitely something that I'm considering doing for Christmas, just to kind of like do something fun and new. So this is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer inspired makeup, and if you want to learn how I got it, then please keep watching. Okay, so I'm starting out with just my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and just start contouring my whole face to look a little bit more like a little reindeer. So I'm going to use my NARS Laguna bronzer just because I think it matches well with my skin tone. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my cheekbones and kind of bring it up a little bit more than I normally would onto my cheekbones. And then blend that all in. And we're going to be doing this contour super dark because this is kind of just like going to be how we're going to look like a deer, is all the contouring. Get this whole side of my face onto my forehead. It's actually super easy to do all this. And now I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm going to bring that from the inner corner of my eye and drag it onto my nose a bit. So I'm going to leave it like that for now, and then we're going to move on to the eyes. So actually now I'm going to move on to eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and brush my eyebrows up and then fill them in like I normally would. Alright, so now that my eyebrows are filled in, I'm going to go ahead and start contouring my eye. So I'm going to take a little brush with that NARS bronzer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of smile. And you see how like there's like a little crease right there? That same crease, I'm going to follow from the middle and go out. And attach it to the outer corner there. So just like that. I'm going to just go ahead and darken that up. Don't do the inner corner, just from the middle out. You can bring it in a little to the inner corner, but not all the way. And then whatever's left, I'm going to just bring up into my crease. So that's the contour for the eyes. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white and just dab it along the lashes. I don't want to do like a full-on like white look. I just kind of want to put it there and then blend it out because I still want it to look like natural, I guess. I'm going to go ahead and take a little brush, blend out that white. Okay, so that is the eyes. I look really crazy right now. Just like ignore how I look. I'm going to go ahead and darken up that nose contour a bit more and make my nose a little bit slimmer right here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and take some liquid liner. I'm going to be using probably both the NYX matte liquid liner and the Better Than Sex Too Faced liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a line out, and then I will be bringing it in the inner corner. Okay, so that is the wing out, and now I'm going to go ahead and create a wing on the inside of my eye. Okay, so that is the eyeliner all done. I'm going to go ahead and apply mascara because my eyelashes are looking very weird at the moment. So I'm just going to apply some mascara on my top lashes. Okay, so I'm going to go into my James Charles Morphe palette. Let me just go ahead and grab it. And I'm going to be taking one of these, probably a mixture of these two shades. And I'm going to be darkening up all of the areas that I bronzed. Alright, so now for like the little white spots that deers have, I'm going to take that same jumbo white eye pencil and I'm just going to kind of create like little dots. Alright, so now for the nose, I'm going to go ahead and just create a little outline with a red lip liner. Okay, so I created the nose and then I went down with my eyebrow liner and I went down and connected it to my lip. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and line with the same eyebrow pencil my lip. Alright, so I ended up doing a couple more finishing touches on the makeup. I darkened up the top lip a lot and I've been darkening up these areas. I need to make them more equal. I'm probably going to have to go over those white dots, but yeah. I think we're pretty good. I went over with my beauty blender and whatever was left over from when I applied my foundation onto my lips. I added little eyelashes and a lot more darkness on the lower lash. And I think that that is it, to be completely honest. And now I'm going to go ahead and figure out my hair, add my ears, and everything else I want to add, and I will be back with the finished look. Alrighty, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next video.